Hello everybody, I'm Lou, dance artist, and today we are going to be learning a tut, finger tut. It begins with the hands. You're going to have them out, flip them up, bring your fingers in towards yourself, back of the hands are together as they circle as far as they can go, and then you're going to flip them back together. Let's try that again. Hands out, flip them up, fingers in, backs of the hands, flip together. Great job. Let's try it one more time. Hands out. Flip them. Circle. Flip. And now we've got a praying hand. We're going to change it to what I call the goalpost hand. Looks like this from the top. Yeah. So from praying to goalpost. Seating it from the top. Looks like that. Okay. Praying, goalpost. Let's put it together. Hands are up. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, then we'll add on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to tip it so that it forms a square. And then we're going to slide it down, slide it out, and tip it under to make the square. Great, so we went prayer hands to goalpost. Tip it. Slide, slide, tip. Put it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, then we'll add on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sliding it up, 1, back to the goalpost, 2, closing it into a diamond shape, 3, prayer hands, 4, finishing image, 5. All right, let's try and put it all together. Here we are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. How you doing? Let's try it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. How about a little bit faster? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. How'd you do? So I really love this tut. Very fun, but it also has a geometry component, transformational geometry component. So let's check it out. It starts with a flip or a reflection. Next, the turning is a rotation. Another reflection. This is a translation or slide. This is a quarter rotation. Translation. How many more transformational geometrical ideas are within this tut? Can you figure out the rest of them? Oh, hey, here's an additional challenge. Can you add to the tut and make it longer? Can you do it faster? Hope you had fun.